Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Purple Fair in Shillong showcases persons with disabilities talent. Government announces CRC and 200 crore stadium. KHADC CEM holds consultative meeting on land migration and illegal markets in Sora. GHADC employees reject government's salary plan, demand 43 months pending dues. And Jawai MLA convenes meeting on Jerusalem playground beautification. The news in detail. The Composite Regional Centre for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Shillong today organised the second Purple Fair at U Susotham Auditorium. Around 500 participants showcased their talents, skills and entrepreneurial ventures through cultural programs and 20 exclusive stalls. Speaking at the event, Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh urged communities to adopt a more empathetic approach towards persons with disabilities. He announced 10 acres at New Shillong for a permanent CRC and Commissioner's office and revealed plans for a Rs 200 crore disabled state stadium to serve athletes with disabilities and support the 2027 National Games.
And will soon allot 10 acres of land at New Shillong for a permanent building of the CRC. It's a 200+ crore project, and we look forward to seeing that persons with various disabilities will also be able to make use of this sports stadium meant especially for them, and especially in view of the National Games scheduled to be held in Meghalaya in 2027.
KHADC Chief Executive Member Shemborlang Rinja, along with Executive Members Winston Tony Lyngdoh and Saiborlang Warba, held a consultative meeting with Hima Sora leaders, village headmen and Sinjuki Hinreo Seng representatives in Majai. The discussions centered on several pressing issues included land surveys for non-tribal occupations, cancellation of non-tribal land leases, and a crackdown on illegal markets. Rinja also emphasized the need for proper village records to address non-tribal migration.
Naka liangga jongi ko kaisi nila ta ya ka secretary ka council ba untip separok ki ma kam ta me asu ki ki snong ki ba kapot ba ken long ki ba perman bahaya ka di modong cu ki ba ba na dangila la asu ani ko tang banwa chua membu chua bu enti ki jing ken jongi nong song snong man ko e ku tlu yeng bat me maintain lu ya ki tu ki bri wan na ba na ki wan chong wai ke ki ka kisla ki be penbiang atau ke police fiction la penbiang ya Pakam tam orang lain ngelak ban nak kalian kasih mereka lak ban bu ya ka jingkeli pakai IY nak kalian terayeng pakai A bapiwan song Y kan ke A ke jingkeli.
Employees of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council have rejected the state government's decision to begin salary payments for all ADCs from November 1st, 2025. At a meeting yesterday, they stressed that their priority is the clearance of 43 months pending salaries. NGEA President Prithan M. Sangma said employees will not accept the new plan unless dues are settled first. Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla today convened a meeting with key stakeholders, including the Chalam clan, Chut Waku Dorbar Chnong, district officials and the PWD. to discuss the reformation and beautification of the historic Jerusalem playground. Following the meeting, a joint site inspection was carried out with the Chalam clan proposing a seating gallery. Shilla stressed the need for collective efforts to enhance the venue, which hosts major national celebrations, while all stakeholders expressed support for the initiative.
Independence Day, Republic Day, you in month. Then he had a meeting on the political party go pair na do na for yung Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi go one. Hagani madan. You itang Henry la pa yun yung madan you itang go sa lang karang. Kam go ya ka jing pendet penbah beautification but kam tam nang ini bedep le haka Independence Day for rang chong nei tai de you mud your eye bạch bạc của chồng này nhỉ ta có thao chồng cái gallery đầm em cái này tê đào này liang nhong na ta da kuda ya da convention ni meeting na do ka dorbar chnong chut ku ya ka government boys higher secondary school but ki pur salam ki man ki stakeholder hai ni harangkat le khud le na ka district administration but kam jo le na ka PWD.
The Anti-Narcotics Task Force (ANTF) of East Khas Hills arrested one person at Madan Laban on Tuesday and seized a packet containing around 9 grams of suspected heroin from his possession. The accused, identified as Rohit Barwa, 29 years, of Dong Shiliang, Lower Lomparing, was apprehended at around 3 p.m. Following the arrest, police deployed 2 sniffer dogs to search his rented residence. During the raid, the dogs led the police to a garbage disposal area where small empty vials and syringes valued at around Rs 1,500 to Rs 2,000 each in the market were recovered. A new livelihood service centre and custom hiring centre was inaugurated in Janapi village under Maushinrut block, West Khas Hills, aimed at empowering local farmers. Launched by Rimpe Bayar CLF in collaboration with NRLM BMMU Maushinrut, the centre offers modern farming machinery, seeds and livestock medicines to promote sustainable agriculture. Officials from MSRLS Agriculture Department and Prasari urge farmers to utilize the facility for improved productivity and rural prosperity.
Kita kita blok Shibun, kita blok Joni, kita tu punya skim. Nama blok Joni ni, Tambun ni kita kerja kawan ni dan yang but Tambun ni bagi mana nama kata kalau ke kawan, kita tu dulu berkerap siapa. Ini yo ini machinery kita support pekerja kita. Ya kan yang Joni. Lima je ni machinery pat nila ban pendek kontrol yang kan kita dulu tu kebetulan.
The FKJGP Eastern West Khas Hills Zone, in collaboration with Max and Katsau Pra College, organized an HIV/AIDS awareness program and blood donation camp at Katsau Pra College Hall, Mairang. The event featured informative sessions by Max and Pasture House representatives, with active participation from students of Katsau Pra College and Tirot Singh Memorial College. The initiative aimed to promote health awareness and voluntary blood donation among youth. The District Legal Services Authority DLSA West Khas Hills held a legal awareness program for chemists, druggists and pharmacists under the Nalsa Dawn campaign at Nongstoin. Chief Judicial Magistrate Cum Secretary DLSA DMKS Shadab urged pharmacists to dispense medicines only with valid prescriptions, maintain records and report suspicious cases. Officials highlighted the risk of negligence under the NDPS Act and stressed collective responsibility in combating drug abuse. The Meghalaya Rowing Water Association kicked off its Talent Scout Drive in Tura with 13 students participating. The event aims to identify and train young athletes for the upcoming 39th National Games. Similar events are set for Nongstoin on August 30th, Jawai on September 6th and Shillong on September 20th. Selected participants will undergo intensive training in Shillong, according to association member Bipin Pingrop. A total of 48 aspiring volleyball players from West Giant Hills participated in the volley talent scouting event held at ATS College, Klittershi, Jawai, under the open to all category as part of preparations for the 39th National Games in Meghalaya. The event was organized by the Meghalaya State Volleyball Association in collaboration with the West Gianta Volleyball Association WJVA and supported by the West Gianta District Sports Association WJDSA. WJVA member and WJDSA General Secretary L. Lalu said the initiative aims to identify promising players from the district for potential state-level selection.
Sasuk ma pol yo yo nin ba yo ne man juman yang ni kena ni man yo imsen gawa ya gini ke volleyball apa ke district ini yo sal ku ni cuma man kama cuam nan cimata do pa ni ke dur ko wang gini na yo lu wa ba volleyball po mesti dia yang ila ku te man kata yo wan tang bon ko wan ni to mizoram ne galan te kat ka man kat te man yang ila man marji bhai chu ni em ni so phao tam am te janar phao tam ni di local.
Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 79%, rainfall 4.5 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 77%. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 91%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai says moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Purple Fair in Shillong showcases persons with disabilities talent. Government announces CRC and 200 crore stadium. KHADC CEM holds consultative meeting on land migration and illegal markets in Sora. GHADC employees reject government's salary plan, demand 43 months pending dues. And Jawai MLA convenes meeting on Jerusalem playground beautification. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.